Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to get more credits in Suno AI, step by step. Suno AI uses credits to create songs. If you run out of credits, you can either wait for your free daily credits, upgrade your plan, or buy extra credits if your account supports it. As of the latest Suno information, the free plan gives 50 credits daily, which is enough for about 10 songs per day. Paid plans give more monthly credits, with Pro offering 2,500 credits per month and Premier offering 10,000 credits per month. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Suno AI. Now, log into your account. Make sure you are using the same account where your songs and credits are saved. Once you are logged in, you should see the Suno homepage or your music creation dashboard. Next, look for your profile icon, account menu, or credits area. Click on your account section. Here, Suno usually shows how many credits you currently have. This is important because it helps you know whether you simply need to wait for credits to refresh or whether you need to upgrade your plan. If you are using the free plan, Suno gives you up to 50 credits each day. These credits refresh daily, and Suno says the daily refresh currently uses UTC time, so the reset may not happen exactly at midnight in your local time zone. So, if your credits are finished, the easiest free method is to wait until the next daily refresh. Just remember, free credits do not keep stacking forever. If you do not use all 50 credits today, your account still resets back to the daily amount later. If you need more credits for regular music creation, the next option is to upgrade your Suno plan. Go to your account or subscription page. Then, look for the available plans. Suno currently offers paid options such as Pro and Premier. The Pro plan includes 2,500 credits per month, while the Premier plan includes 10,000 credits per month. Choose the plan that matches your usage. Paid plans also include extra features such as commercial use rights for new songs made while subscribed, priority generation, and access to more advanced models. If you are already subscribed and still need more credits, you may be able to buy extra credits. To do this, open your Suno account page. Then, look for the option called Buy More Credits. Suno's help page says subscribed users can purchase additional credits from the account page by choosing Buy More Credits. One important thing to know, Suno's pricing page says free users do not get add-on credit purchases, while Pro and Premier users can buy add-on credits. So, if you do not see the Buy More Credits button, it may be because you are on the free plan or the option is not available for your account. Before buying or upgrading, you should understand how Suno credits reset. Free credits refresh daily. Pro and Premier credits refresh monthly, usually at the same time as your original subscription purchase. Also, Suno says subscription credits do not carry over from day to day or month to month. However, purchase top-up credits do not expire, but they require an active subscription to use. So, before buying extra credits, make sure you actually need them. Now that you know how to get more credits, here are a few quick tips to avoid wasting them. Before generating a song, write a clear prompt. Include the genre, mood, vocals, instruments, and style. For example, instead of writing, "Make a song about love," you can write, "Create an emotional pop ballad about long-distance love, with soft piano, warm female vocals, and a powerful chorus." This gives Suno a better direction and helps you get better results with fewer attempts. Also, test short ideas first before spending credits on many full generations. And that's how you get more credits in Suno AI. To recap, you can wait for free daily credits, upgrade to Pro or Premier, or buy extra credits if you are already on a supported paid plan. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.